In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Substack. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to share your work with the world. Substack is a fantastic platform that allows you to publish newsletters, but getting started with your first post might seem a bit overwhelming. Let's simplify the process and get you familiar with the essential steps. First, begin by logging into your Substack dashboard. This is your base of operations, where all your creative magic happens. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the New Post button. This is your gateway to crafting your masterpiece. Click on it and you'll be introduced to your first decision. What type of post will it be? You can choose between a text, video, or audio post. This flexibility allows you to cater to your audience's preferences, whether they prefer reading, watching, or listening. Next up, you'll find yourself in the editor. This is your canvas where your content takes shape. Start by adding a compelling title. The title is crucial as it's the first thing your audience sees. A captivating title can draw in curious readers, so take a moment to think it through. After your title, it's time to delve into your content. Here is where you can let your creativity shine. Whether you're adding text, images, or even embedding videos, the editor supports various formats to enrich your post. After you're satisfied with your content, it's time to click on Continue. This leads you to decisions about your audience. You'll choose whether your post is visible to everyone or just your paid subscribers. Another important choice is whether to allow comments on your post, deciding if everyone can contribute to the discussion, or opting to keep the conversation closed. As you near the end, remember to add tags. Tags are useful for categorizing your content, making it easier for people to find your work. It's like putting your post on the map for interested readers to discover. Then consider how you'd like to deliver your post. Substack offers the option to send it via email and the Substack app, expanding your reach and ensuring your audience doesn't miss out on what you have to share. Finally, the moment has arrived to share your creation. With everything in place, you have the choice to send to everyone immediately or to schedule your post for a later time. Scheduling can be a helpful feature if you want your post to go live at a specific time when your audience is most active. And there you have it, you're now equipped to share your voice on Substack, bringing your ideas and stories to a wider audience. Keep these steps in mind as you continue to create and engage with your readers. Thanks for watching and happy posting.